So it was that time of the year again where I needed to upgrade my desk setup, and I decided to go with these new Augio Engine 2 Plus speakers. So originally I was using the sound that was actually coming from my LG monitor. The sound quality from that monitor was decent, but it was missing a lot of the frequencies, the bass, the mids that I was just not getting. So I decided to upgrade, spend a bit of money, and got these new speakers. Now, I've decided to get the speakers with the actual stands. The stands are actually rubber. Now, you're probably wondering what it comes with. It comes in these nice little felt bags that feel decent in the hand, and they give you all the cables that you need. So power cable, the USB cable, the cables to plug the left and right speakers together. You also get an audio jack input where you can listen in case you want to listen through headphones. Overall, they have an amazing fit and design. They sit on the desk nicely. I'm surprised that they're very compact and they just sit nicely on the desk. Now, onto the sound test. I know people like hearing the actual sound. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. It's just a quick review. This is not a sponsored video. I just love using these new speakers. They are on the higher price range, but they are worth the money. They just have a superior sound quality that I feel works great when you're listening to music, playing games, or doing whatever you want. And I feel like it's super good. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like these type of videos, leave a comment below, and I'll do some more videos on some of the gadgets in my office setup to help me work as a designer and a content creator. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.